What I'm going to cook for you today is an Australian icon. It's been part of kids' school lunches for generations. You can eat it at the park, you can eat it at the beach, you can eat it at the pub drinking your favourite beverage. My name is Shane and today I'm going to cook you this Aussie meat pie. What we're going to need for this beautiful Australian classic is 2 sheets of puff pastry, 500 grams of minced meat, 1 brown onion diced, 3/4 of a cup of tomato sauce or ketchup, 3/4 of a cup of beef stock, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, and some olive oil, and 1 teaspoon of corn flour. We'll also need 1 egg and some milk to make an egg wash. Okay, I've just added a little bit of olive oil in the fry pan here. To the fry pan, I'm just going to add the onion. I'm just going to cook this for about 3 or 4 minutes, just get it nice and soft. Okay, it's been about 3 or 4 minutes now. Onion's softened up nicely. I'm just going to add the 500 grams of mincemeat. Now I'm just going to work this through for another 3 minutes, 4 minutes until the mincemeat's browned off. Okay, this meat's browned off nicely. I'm just going to add some Worcestershire sauce in, probably about a tablespoon. 3/4 of a cup of beef broth, 3/4 of a cup of ketchup or tomato sauce, and 1 teaspoon of corn flour. This will help thicken it up. Just going to mix all this together. Now we'll just let this sit for about 8 to 10 minutes until it thickens up. It still looks a bit runny, just add a little bit more corn flour. Okay, this mince is looking really nice at the moment, thickened up beautifully. What I'm going to do is just turn this stove off. I'm just going to let this sit here and cool for a while, and then we'll come back and I'll prepare the pastry. Using the pie tin as a template, we're just going to cut around the edge. Just leave a bit of a gap around the edge of the pastry to the tin. And for the pie tops, we'll go straight around the pie tin. Don't need to leave a gap for this. I'm just preheating this oven to 220 degrees Celsius, about 430 degrees Fahrenheit. Just going to spray these pie tins. I'm just going to add the bottom sheet of pastry into the pie tin. Just going to crack an egg into a mug. Add a little milk. I'm just going to beat this till it becomes nice and smooth. No lumps. Okay, after we've let the beef mixture cool a bit, we're just going to spoon it into the pastry. Now I'm just going to brush the egg wash around the bottom of the pastry. And the top pieces of the pastry we're just going to place on top. Push it down with your thumbs. Try to get a bit of a seal on it. Using a fork, we're just going to go around the edges. Seal it nice, good. I'm just going to make a little hole on top of the pastry here. So let all the gases out that form up on the inside so they don't explode in the oven. And now we're just going to brush a bit of the egg wash over the top. Get a nice golden brown to the top of the pies. Okay, just going to place these in the oven for about 25 minutes or until the tops are nice and golden brown. We'll come back and check them out. It's been 25 minutes and I've just gotten these out of the oven. Oh man, they look so good. Can't wait to eat them. So I'm just going to let these sit for about 10 minutes to cool a little bit and we'll be back. Just going to whack some tomato sauce on this. It's the only way to eat them. Oh, yum. Look at that. Take a bite of that. Okay, we've come to the end of the video. Hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe, share, and I'll see you next time.